do not learn to code. Why tech is dead.
People all over the world are worried if programming will become obsolete. In my opinion, that's incredibly dangerous news. Dangerous cause it'll make you laugh until you become obsolete. Especially after you read this guy's reply on Quora. Like, what the f are you talking about? Anyways, in this video, I will tell you why programming will never become obsolete. Anyways, before we start, please consider subscribing to the channel, cause you need some coding tutorials before coding becomes obsolete. Now, why software development will never die? Well, there's a lot of reasons, like it promotes businesses, improves sales and service, increases customers' engagement, help marketing your business, and so on. And these people needs to understand that coding means software, and software equals everything around us. For example, many new jobs will depend on programming, and existing jobs that will require coding skills will grow exponentially. It means they will work in a virtual environment, and without coding skills, it will be hard or even impossible to make them work successfully. So did you know how important will it be in the future? Basically, coding is the lifeblood of modern life. Imagine for a moment what would happen if all computers suddenly disappeared tomorrow. No internet, no data, no connection. Research and development research relies on data, and machines can help experimenters aggregate, synthesize, and fantasize data in ways mortal beings haven't been able of before. Web development and design controverse programming skills to make online guests in fields like e-commerce, which is one of the most profitable businesses in the world. And did you know that coding is used in everyday life? Let me tell you, most of us engage with programming in nearly every part of the ultra-modern society. So a fundamental understanding of its principles will always be an essential skill to learn. Like when you open YouTube, an algorithm suggests your videos. The way the video is displayed to you is by a software. These languages, algorithms, and models make our life a billion times easier. And just for you to know, nothing, and I mean nothing, is possible without programming in the current generation. The latest research found that programming skills required in the 5 major job categories, like information technology, data analyst, artists and designers, engineers, and even scientists. And other skills in demand include JavaScript for web development, SQL for databases, Linux for computer system operations, .NET development for general purpose programming, and Python for AI and machine learning. So even if you like it or not, coding and programming in general is part of us now. So my dear programmer, I want you to relax and make a coffee and keep coding. By the way, I covered if AI gonna take our jobs or not in this video right here. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next one.